Francofonte, with 11,600 inhabitants, located right in one of the largest orange districts in Sicily, just 30 minutes from Catania. This is an agricultural area. The newer part of this town is not very exciting, but the old town, which is small, has the highlight of the town, the Cruyllas Palace. Cruyllas Palace is built 1705, which today is also the municipality. The roof part is decorated with faces, each with a different face expression. After this, I took a walk around the palace and then the rest of the small old town.